Don't know how to group elements in Canva? Well, worry not, we're here to help. Hello guys and welcome to How To Guide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to group elements in Canva. Now let's begin. You can see here I have lots of elements and I want to group them. What to do? Press the Shift key and click on the elements. As you can see, multiple elements are being selected. Now just drop the Shift key. And now a pop-up will open, which will show different options such as group, duplicate, delete, and more. You can do many things from here, but since I only want to group, I select the group option. You can also group the elements using the shortcut Ctrl+Z. Now there you have it. This is how you group elements. For instance, you want to ungroup it. You see the option ungroup here, simply click on it. I'm going to use the shortcut to group it again, Ctrl+G. And there you have it. That's how you group elements in Canva. Hope you found this video useful. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.